Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. The rumored iPhone 14 launch date has been set by Apple for September 7th. Other than the date and location, nothing is known. At the Apple Sparks campus, Steve Jobs Theater, the event will start at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and be streamlined online at Apple events. When Apple CEO Tim Cook walks out on stage on that Wednesday, he will first talk about the state of the company and how Apple has overcome the challenges of the pandemic and ongoing supply problems. At some point, Cook will start introducing the iPhone 14 and there will be 4 iPhone 14 models to unveil. Meanwhile, the new phone on the block, the iPhone 14 Max, will offer the size of the Pro Max but the features and affordability of the iPhone 14. The Max and Pro lines will also split, with the former keeping the appearance and feel of the iPhone 13's previous generation, and while the latter should do away with the full-scale notch. If you consider basic design and screen technology, there's a lot that probably won't change between the iPhone 13 and the anticipated iPhone 14 models. The cameras could be due for a big upgrade. Most rumors point to the Pro line getting 48 megapixel cameras. That's a big jump from the 12 megapixel cameras on the 13 line, and again it will help differentiate between the iPhone 14 and the 14 Max and the iPhone 14 Pro, and lastly the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We have to remember that most people will probably end up shooting in some sort of pixel binning mode, which will combine 4 pixels at a time into an even better 12 megapixel image. A new Apple Silicon A16 Bionic chip should be in all of the iPhone 14 models. Aside from a potential battery-saving 3nm process, no one is expecting a major upgrade from the A15 Bionic. We would be lying if we said we weren't more than a little excited about the rumored purple iPhone 14. The expected iPhone 14 launch would also start the countdown for the full launch of the iOS 16, which is currently in public beta. The updated mobile platform and its new lock screen notifications and third-party widgets won't launch until the new iPhones do, which should be before the end of September. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you on the next one.